It's that TRX700XX. Needs a head gasket. So you might see a little bogging here and there, but other than that, I mean, she's a ripper. Ready, and it's fast as shit. Gets really good traction, and Blake don't even have to shift it, so he's got a real shot. You guys be sure to like and subscribe, and watch out for that bag giveaway, so be on there. I'm going to be asking for a comment in one of these next videos. TRX700XX. Fuel injected 700. Manual clutch. Independent rear suspensions. Much more power. More power, baby. Way more power. So we'll see how it goes. They don't have much by the way of tires, so each machine has its faults. Just like run-of-the-mill drag race, man. You do it on the street against people. Both of y'all stuff probably need, hell, Blake, each one of Blake's vehicle need 2 or 3 tires usually. So this ought to be good. Check out the race. You tell me which one seems faster. So me and Blake got a little disagreement here.
Oh, yeah.
Your bird?
I burnt my nut.
Look at Joey. Hit that jump, Joey.
Damn.
Damn, it's those America goggles. Getting him about to, damn, bro, about to hit one of them huge rocks. I think it's just because you went down through here once.
Well, it bogged out over there right after I did the donut, and then when I came over here, it bogged out during the slide.
It has nothing to do with us. Okay.
Put the cameras on it.
He thinks his mullet give him special powers, y'all. So we.
You act like that's not a fact.
Hey, the first one's a test run. We go back.
Bro,
again right here.
Ripley's proved that shit.
One, drop your hand.
Bro, that was like someone needs to get at the telephone pole. Dude.
Did you see what happened?
I'm not gonna lie, I accidentally hit the button on the side to stop recording.
Go. Wait, go. I let out just a hair.
We were
but yeah, we were, dude, that was, we both jumped that bitch.
Yeah, you both
recorded there?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
Joe's
dude.
gonna have to tell us to go though.
No, dude. If you see the video, like as soon as I start, it goes, wow.
Right.
Wow.
All right, so the other day you seen us oil it up, and Blake's saying I beat him dead to rights 2 out of 3 times, but it's because it didn't run right. So we're gonna race again, and then what was your exact words? It's running what?
It's bogging.
No, now.
Oh, now it's running the best it's ever ran.
All right, so we're gonna see. It's gonna be Stevens, but I don't know why he thinks he's gonna outrun the 700XX. Not with me on it, not even with bald tires.
We'll see.
Then we're gonna switch. Matter of fact, so we should just switch now. I beat him on the Odyssey.
Yeah, now you want to switch now.
We'll just switch now. That'll be super, Stevens.
Wait, are you sure we want to put him on the camera again?
Yeah, I know.
You might as well. We might as well just not video it.
Joe, say 1, 2, 3, and then drop your arm. Joe was like trying to fake us out on the arm drop.
Oh no! No playing with the racetrack.
Play it as it lies. Oh. 1, 2, 3.
Well, y'all seen it. I got him.
Bro, I got the coolest fucking picture.
He tried to say that he missed second gear on that second race.
Bro, I got Blake like mid-air and you're like just in front of him.
I might have beat him in the first race, did I?
It's pretty, he's like all the way off the ground.
Hell yeah, dude. Oh my, that's gonna be my profile pic on my mom's Tinder app. It's Tinder for single moms.
I only got two. Well,
the first one, it didn't bog. The second race didn't bog either.
The first one.
The third race it bogged.
Missed second gear and quit moving, but I think I reeled him in.
No.
That's the one I took a picture of.
Got his ass.
I was close.
Screenshot it.
I did. That's the one I screenshotted.
We were racing to this jump.
Oh, I had you.
You said this jump. Look, winning.
One of them was real sketchy.
Winning into the race.
Ahead of you.
Into the race.
Here, this is the easiest way to do it. That's super hard to tell, but look, Blake.
Yeah, it's not a great angle.
Yeah, it's not a slow. Yep. See?
I'm ahead of you, Doug.
No, dude, you're on the far side.
I'm ahead of you, Doug.
No,
Yeah, that's what I
the
thought,
angle. It's the angle.
Both the judges said I was ahead of him. Y'all seen it? That's 3-0, but we're gonna switch, bro. No prepping the track for him. Who's this instigator? Who's this guy with the American flag safety goggles cheating for the mullet? Who's this pre-mullet cheating for the mullet? When I drop my hand, okay? 1, 2, 3. That was pretty good shit right there, actually. I hope he does worse than that when we race. I'm expecting him to do a little worse than that. I need more of that where he's hitting the rev limiter for 2 seconds at a time. No, it's a rev limiter. Did she bog? Did she bog on that top end a little bit? No shifting, Blake. No shifting, Blake. Did that fuel injection bog, or was it just me never shifting? It's not an automatic.
It's not?
You got you both times?
Yeah.
What happened?
Right at the end. I told him this wasn't gonna be faster. I thought I had a chance against him.
You think you got Joe?
His first time? Unless this bogs out.
Let's see.
Give me a second.
1, 2, 3, go.
.700XX 2008 fuel injected versus old 350 Odyssey. To right here, boy. Blake's got him off the line. Ooh, that's gonna be tough to call. That was close, guys. That was super close. I think Blake had him at first, but that 700 likes to come around. We're only racing about 200 feet, guys. 200 feet, or I would think the 700 get it all day. Oh! Snuck his ass!
What happened?
Thought she was in second.
Oh, whoopsies. Whoopsies.
Second one, so bad.
3! That's 3!
Saw that.
That's 3.
I beat him so bad.
Give him his rematch. See, we're taking it easy on it on the way back. That way it ain't starving for fuel or some shit, because it's a gravity-fed tank. Blake had some bogging issues earlier when I smoked his ass.
Dude, I beat him so bad.
I appreciate you guys watching. Z50 video should be coming up pretty soon. BW80 video. I got a bunch of Z50 parts there. I'm waiting for, I don't know if you can see that down there. A bunch of new parts, but I'm waiting on the frame to get back from powder coat. So it's either gonna be that or the BW80 next video for you. So appreciate it, guys. Be sure and like and subscribe and share away. Share it away. Get ready for that giveaway. It's coming.